People are making hundreds of dollars a month from these legit survey platforms that I am going to share with you today, and most of them take just under 15 minutes to complete. And let's be honest, most online survey platforms are a complete waste of time. They promise quick cash, but after an hour, after earning money, they give you gift cards that you won't be able to redeem, or money that you won't be able to cash out directly to your bank account. But I've been able to carefully source out this survey platform, and not just sourcing out this survey platform. These are legit survey platforms that have been paying people and which I can confirm. So stick with me to the very end, because the last survey platform has a bonus system that is so generous that it feels like they are begging you to take their survey. And if you love this video, please don't forget to hit on the red subscribe button so that you will continue getting updates anytime I'll drop videos like this, and keep updated. The first website on the list is known as TryBuyer. So simply go on to any browser of your choice, Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, Firefox, and search for TryBuyer, and click on the first link where you are going to be taken to this user interface, trybuyer.com.ng. So trybuyer.com is a platform that lets you respond to paid survey in Nigeria, and you can earn up to $3.25 per every survey you have taken for that particular day. So this is a paid online survey where you earn money for free. Yes, you heard me right, for free. So you just have to join, answer the survey, and you earn money. So it says TryBuyer Consumer Panel is a platform that lets you answer paid survey questions based on consumption trend in Nigeria. Now this platform offers you the possibility to make money with online surveys, and these surveys can be done with your smartphone. You just have to fill out the survey quick and easy, and you earn money from the comfort of your home. Now on this platform is that you can earn money, and you can also earn the certificate, earn data options from Glo, MTN, 9 Mobile, and the rest. So to earn on this platform is as simple as possible. What you simply have to do is to sign up on this platform. You just have to sign up on this platform, and you can start earning money for free on this platform. Just click on the join now, and you can start making money on this platform. Now this platform is simple, like I said, it's very simple, and for every successful survey you will earn up to $3.25 on this platform. Your privacy on this platform is guaranteed, and what you simply have to do is to be able to get knowledge about the market in Nigeria and how your research can help this platform, which they'll be giving out whatever answer you'll be giving to them. They will be giving it out to other platforms so that they can know on how they can be able to penetrate the Nigeria market. If you are really interested in making money from your comfort zone, then this platform is recommended for you. So that is just how it is on trybuyer.com. Website is known as thepanelstation.com. Thepanelstation.com is also an online survey website that allows you share out your opinion to people, and you will get paid. So this platform is just about you giving out your opinion, and that is where the panel station comes into play. This platform rewards you for sharing your voice through paid online survey. For you to get started on this platform, just click on join in for free. So you just have to click on join in for free, and you answer questions from anywhere, anytime, and how you feel like answering the question, but with your sincerity, and you'll be able to earn money for free just on this platform. So that is just how it is. Just share out your voice on this platform, and you'll be able to make money. Now this platform has a lot of partners which you can decide to check out here for free. They have a lot of partners, and you can find them on Facebook, Twitter, that is X, also on YouTube and Instagram. Let me just show you some available surveys that are right now. So you just click on the three dots there that is there, and you click on the live survey, and allow you to open. From there you will get to see the available surveys that are currently ongoing, that people are currently doing and making money from. So this is a survey with just different survey ID. You can see a survey ID 454345 and different lot of survey. So that is just how it is, and you can see so basically they have 8 this is okay, 6 survey currently available for you. So you can just check out this platform known as the panelstation.com. So that is just how it is, and you can start making money on this platform just by giving out your opinion. Try it out and drop it in the comment section. Just try it out and drop it in the comment section. And if you want me to go in depth on this platform, also drop it in the comment section. And the last platform on the list is known as Surveo.com. And Surveo.com is a free registration platform that lets you perform survey, and you can be able to earn up to $10 per survey. On how you can join this platform is that when you just click on and you see the first user interface, you can click on free registration and you get started right away. And you can get paid using PayPal, Amazon, and also your bank transfer. So this is how much you can like to earn each day on this platform. You can earn up to 35,000 naira, you can earn up to 70,000 naira, you can earn up to 70,000 naira and above. But this is depending on how much survey you can be able to perform for that particular day. And as you can see on their Trustpilot review, they have a trust score of 4.10 with 19,695 reviews. So this is how the platform works. So this platform is simply a platform that selects the best paid survey on the market for you, allow you to answer this question anywhere and anytime, and you'll be able to earn cash. So you just have to register for free on this platform. In a few seconds you register for free and you join their community, and every day you try to come on this platform and you respond to surveys and studies that are available, and in so doing you'll be able to earn and pocket money for yourself. And withdrawing this money, like I said, you can withdraw the money through bank transfer, through Amazon, or using PayPal. This is depending on the one that is available for you. And as you can see here, this platform is supported in 197 countries of the world, and there are millions of registered users and also millions of surveys that have been launched on this platform. So without wasting much time, just like I have said, just click on just go to your browser and click on Surveyo, click on the first link, and you'll be able to register straight away on this platform. And what I love about this platform is that your data is protected on this platform, and you also have access to their customer service. That means if there's any issue you're having on this platform, just click on their customer service and you'll be able to talk with their customer service. Which any information you have or any problem you have, they will be able to rectify it for you, and very fast and easy to contact them. So just click on your customer service and you'll be able to get them. Try out this platform known as Surveo.com and drop it in the comment section if there's any issue you're having up in the course of your sign up. These are the legit surveys website actually paying cash right now. No wasting of hours or pennies, just real payout. But here's the one thing, surveys are not the only quick way to earn money online. So click on the red subscribe button so that you will get updated anytime I will drop videos that will be helpful to you.